of chapter 4, the book of Ephesians, verses number 13, because there's something there that I want us to run with tonight. It says, until we attain to the unity of faith and the knowledge of the Son of God, to mature manhood, to the measure of the stature of the fullness of Christ. So he's talking about us attaining maturity, us maturing in the Lord. And the Bible teaches us that when we come into the kingdom of God, we come as babies.
That's right.
We don't even come as children. Even when your dad is a bishop, a pastor, an apostle, a prophet, when you make a decision to follow the Lord, you are born into the kingdom as a baby.
Yes.
And so Peter teaches us in 1 Peter chapter 2, verses 2 to number 3. He says, like newborn infants, long for the pure spiritual milk, that by it you may grow up into salvation. Indeed, you have tested that the Lord, He is good. So me and you come into the kingdom of God as children. Now our salvation is handed to us by the Lord, totally complete. The Bible teaches us that before we come to